Amazon unveils its latest Kindle Scribe lineup, including the colorful debut of the Scribe Colorsoft, and they're now available to ship. But here's the essential takeaway. Amazon delivered on its promise to launch 2 front-lit Scribe models in time for the holidays, with the Colorsoft leading the charge at a premium price. How you can trust this coverage? Our team of seasoned reviewers tests and evaluates products rigorously, and we disclose any affiliate earnings when readers purchase through our links. For more on our testing standards, see our ethics statement. Overview of what's new. Amazon first teased 3 Kindle Scribes at a September event, among them a flagship color variant, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. Both front-lit models are now listed as in stock, while the entry-level Kindle Scribe without front light remains listed as coming soon and is scheduled to ship in early 2026. What I've observed so far. I've received review units for both the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the new monochrome Kindle Scribe with front light, and I'll be putting them through hands-on testing in the coming days. Details and impressions will follow in my full review. Pricing context. These devices aren't inexpensive. The Kindle Scribe with front light starts at $500 for 32 gigabytes. By contrast, the 2024 Kindle Scribe with front light began at $400. Color adds a substantial jump. The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft starts at $630, with a 64 gigabyte option that adds $50. That price point sits close to rival devices like the Color Paper Pro e-ink tablet from Remarkable. Notable hardware upgrades. The new Scribes sport an 11-inch display, up from 10.2 inches, achieved through slimmer bezels while retaining a similar overall chassis. They're thinner at 5.4 millimeters and lighter at 400 grams versus 430 grams previously. A new custom MediaTek processor is said to deliver about 40% higher performance. Important caveat: none of the new Scribes feature waterproofing, unlike some other Kindle models. Colorsoft display considerations. Last year's Colorsoft color display had a faint yellow tint, especially with the front light activated. Amazon paused shipments to address the issue and replaced affected units. Early feedback suggested the problem stemmed from the Colorsoft display design. The new Colorsoft lineup appears to have mitigated the yellow tinge issue, at least in early observations. Some testers report minimal to no discoloration, even at brighter light settings. Hands-on expectations. Initial checks show no obvious yellow tinging when maximizing color accuracy and light intensity, though individual results can vary with color temperature settings. A typical reviewer tendency is to prefer cooler light for a crisper white balance, but comfort is subjective. Official upgrade highlights, as described by Amazon. A refined front light system using compact LEDs that hug the display to shrink the bezel and deliver uniform illumination. A textured glass surface designed to improve pen glide and reduce drag. A re-engineered display stack to drastically reduce parallax, making writing feel closer to pen on paper. A newer MediaTek quad-core processor, increased memory, and specialized oxide display tech, aimed at snappier performance. Bottom line, whether these changes justify the higher price depends on how much you value the larger screen, lighter form, and snappier performance. If you're debating between color and monochrome, or between storage tiers, weigh how you'll use the device, reading, note-taking, or annotating PDFs against the premium costs. Question for discussion. Do you think the 11-inch, color-capable Kindle Scribe represents a meaningful shift for digital reading and note-taking? Or is it a niche for enthusiasts willing to pay a premium? Share your thoughts below.